It's Kristen from the Camber County Library Children's Department. Today I'll show you how to use a digital resource we have called BookFLIX. So you and your kids can watch animated versions of some of your favorite books. So we're here at the Camber County Library System's homepage. If I scroll down, that was cclsys.org. I can choose the Camber County Library. That's your local library. Click on that. And it gives you these choices. The home page, libraries, meet us. For kids, that's a great one. For teens, for adults. And we want to go to this resources button. There are some library resources. And I'm scrolling down through the digital resources. Cloud Library is a great one for getting ebooks and audiobooks free with your library card. But I'm going to click on this Power Kids with the lightning bolt. Right down here where it says Power Kids, here's Power Teens, but I'm going to go to Power Kids today. And here's BookFLIX, books and flicks as in movies. We're going to click on the BookFLIX icon. Now here at home, this is where it would prompt you to enter your library card number. Because I'm already in the system, I just have to click Start. And here are your choices. You can click on animals and nature, earth and sky, people and places, the unicorn. Today I'm going to choose one of the animals and
nature.
If you see on all of your choices you have here, any that have the red banner on that say ES, those are also available in Spanish for the audio version. I'm going to click on Bear Snores On. If you were looking for a particular book, you could title search up here in the top right-hand corner. I could type in Bear Snores On and find it that way, or just click on the picture. Here's Bear Snores On. We can watch the story, or we can read a book, A Bear Cub Grows Up. You can do that from the left-hand side tabs as well. I'm going to click on Bear Snores On. You can make this fit the whole screen. You can fast forward by scrolling on the tab at the bottom.
In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair.
So you can read along with it. You can make the speed a little bit faster.
Sleeps a great brown bear.
If you're a more advanced reader.
Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight.
If you wanted to read the book option, I clicked on Read the Book. And if you have a touch screen, you can swipe. Or if you're using a mouse, you can click on these arrows. Again, you can make it full screen. And you can read by yourself. A bear is a mammal. Or you can click on Read Along
Bear
and have
cubs.
it read to you.
A bear is a mammal. Mammals have hair and give birth to babies.
And again, you can shrink it. When you're done watching the story and reading the books, you can do these puzzler games. A word
Read the
game,
clue below. Click on the word.
a
Read
fact
the
or
sentence
fiction
below.
game.
Is it fact or fiction? Look at these three pictures. What happened first?
And after you're done with the games, if you want to learn more about the subject you were just reading about and learning about, you can click on Explore their web or meet the creators, Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. They were the author and illustrator of Bear Snores On. When you're done and you want to choose a new story,
Click on a category
hit the home button.
or click on the feature to begin.
These are the featured stories that they have for today. You can click on the featured stories or choose any of the categories here. I hope that helped you find your BookFLIX